Okay guys, so we put the extensions in. We've worked on all the prep products to really give it that look feel, which it already looks pretty shiny and pretty amazing. But what I like to do to give it that extra wow factor, remember earlier we were talking about how brunettes really need that shine to be able to reflect and make it look wow. And that's for me what brunettes are all about, really rich, shiny hair. We're gonna go in with the extra, spray it on the mid-lengths and ends. Now, I always like to use a bit of heat with it and I kind of melt it into the hair. So what this will do is it will just give you that real luxe finish. And as I put the irons through the hair, you can see how the shine spray just simply melts in. What's great about this shine spray though is there's no greasiness, there's no stickiness. You can really apply it. You guys know I like to use a lot of product and I like to work with a product that you can use over and over. So going over the top with the heat just kind of puts it in. You don't have to use heat, but for me it's a really nice finishing tool.